Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn human psychology for beginners. Start by exploring core areas like cognitive and social psychology to build a strong foundation. These fields offer essential insights into how we think, feel, and interact with the world around us. Pay attention to everyday situations. You'll notice psychological principles at play in conversations, decisions, and group dynamics. This practical observation enhances your theoretical understanding significantly. It's a fascinating journey into the human mind. To effectively learn psychology, immerse yourself in quality resources. Start with well-regarded introductory textbooks. They provide structured knowledge and essential terminology. Supplement your reading with educational videos and documentaries, which can make complex ideas more accessible and engaging. Consider joining online forums or study groups to discuss concepts with others. Explaining ideas to peers solidifies your understanding and exposes you to different perspectives, making the learning process more dynamic and interactive. Applying psychological knowledge is crucial for true understanding. Connect theories to real-world situations, like understanding consumer behavior or communication styles. Always be mindful of ethical considerations in psychology, especially regarding privacy and informed consent. For structured learning, consider enrolling in a basic psychology course or pursuing a certification. This provides a framework and often includes practical exercises, enhancing your grasp of the subject and its professional applications. As you progress, delve into specialized areas such as developmental psychology, which examines human growth, or abnormal psychology, focusing on mental health conditions. Stay current by following reputable psychology blogs and academic journals. They offer insights into new research and evolving theories. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Continuing to learn and engage with the field will deepen your understanding of the intricate workings of the human mind, making your journey truly rewarding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.